Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will look into a useful tool, a 4-in-1 tire wall removal tool, which is useful in removing the wall core, removing the debris, and internal threading and external threading of the wall. First, we will see how to use the tool to external thread the wall. This aligns the thread of the external wall. In this case, the spokes are interrupting the rotation, and this can be used to pull the wall during the punctures too. And the sharp side of the tool can be used to remove the air and also debris in the wall. After removing the air, the split side of the tool is used to remove the wall core. To place inside the wall and rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Here the spokes are obstructing the rotation, but we can adjust accordingly and remove the wall core. This is the wall core, and this is how we place the split tool and rotate clockwise to tighten, anti-clockwise to remove. And the other side of the tool is used for the internal threading of the wall core. So this process removes any debris and aligns the internal threading. The sharp side is used to remove the debris. The split side is used to put the wall core again inside. These are the 4 uses of the tool: 1 for the exterior threading, 2 for removing the wall core, 3 for doing the internal threading, and 4th one for removing any debris. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.